guys, as you're drilling this, you know, don't think that just to drill the stuff we've been doing tonight. Like, you can drill all the things, right? So here, boom, boom, boom. I want to drill my little sweeps we did last night. Great, do it. Boom. Okay, fun stuff. Oh, look, I go here, bing. I'm trying for my omoplata that we did the other night. It didn't work. Look, blah, right there. Cool. Works out great. Okay. So look, once I get here, another option I have, whether my leg's here or here. Technically, it's better if I'm here, but you can pull this arm over, start ripping him back. Take his back. Okay. It's easy. So I just kind of let him rotate, and then you got to be intentional with the hooks. So I'm in, boom. Set it, okay? Look, just go here. He doesn't want his arm there anyway because he can get omoplated, right? So he's gonna start pulling it out. No big deal. Just grab that. I like to grab that far arm. Okay, if I can grab the far arm, great. I'm just gonna rip it back. Boom. And then look, I'm just setting that first hook. So put this stuff together, guys. Like, I mean, if you weren't here, obviously don't. If you were, like, think about, so I can go here, and go here. Boom. I start hitting my sweep. I go for my sweep. He bases. I guide him down. I go for my omoplata. Oh, I don't get it. Look. Ah. My foot's right there. Okay? I'm pull him back in triangle. Great. Maybe work for my triangle. I don't like it. Boom. Sit up. Keep that leg out. Wow. There's your back tip. Okay? So just kind of look at where you're at. Think about it. And drill the moves together. Yeah. Yeah. You know, here. Okay. Comes back up. Cool. Push it through. There we go. Okay. Go for my Kimura. It's not working. Pass it. Catch. Pull him back. There's a back take. Okay? Make sense, guys?